your fire flow upon us, Lord. हे पवित्र आत्म्या तू आमचेर तुझो पै मार.
People of God,
you are my fortress. You are my friend in need.
oh, He's our friend. You are my Lord.
You are my God.
Tell Him you are my Lord. You are my refuge.
You are my refuge.
You are my fortress.
You are my fortress.
You're my friend indeed.
You are my friend indeed.
You are my Lord.
You are my God.
Raise both your hands.
I will worship you with all of my heart. I will seek your face all through my life.
I will serve you, Lord,
Lord,
with all that I have.
all that I am.
Here I am.
Here
Take me, Lord.
am.
Here I am, O Lord.
And I will worship you with all of my heart.
I will seek your
I will
face.
seek your face all through my life.
I will serve you,
I
Lord.
will serve you, Lord, with all that I am. Here I am. Here I am. Oh Lord, here I
Lord, we surrender our lives to you.
am.
Take us, Lord. Use us,
Here
Lord.
I am, oh Lord, here I am. Here I am, oh Lord, here I am, oh Lord, here I am, oh Lord, here I am. Tu muso aso, tu muso rakonda, tu muso mogale, tu muso de, tu muso aso.
As we prepare for the Holy Eucharist, surrender our lives. Let us surrender our lives. In the Eucharist, we remember, reenact the greatest sacrifice the world has ever seen.
सगळ्या काळजांता तुका करता, सगळ्या जिवितांत तुझे रूप सोदता, सगळ्या सत्ते तुझी सेवा करता, आंगा हावासा
आमच्या उजव्या हात उभा.
सगळ्या
Here
काळजांता
I am, Lord.
तुका करता, सगळ्या जिवितांत तुझे रूप सोदता, सगळ्या सत्ते तुझी सेवा
our minds to you. As we enter the Holy Eucharist, draw us to you, Lord. Draw us to you.